Click on the link below to get price. The VTOMAN FlashSpeed Pro 3600 portable power station stands out as a versatile energy solution designed for individuals in need of reliable power on the go. With a robust output of 3,600 watts and a substantial capacity of 3,096 watt-hours, it is tailored for various environments, whether for outdoor adventures, emergency situations, or as a backup power source for home appliances. At first glance, the design of the FlashSpeed Pro is sleek and functional. Its portable nature makes it easy to transport, and the integrated handle enhances its mobility. The station features multiple outlets, including standard AC outlets, USB ports, and DC outputs, making it suitable for powering a wide array of devices from smartphones and laptops to larger equipment like power tools or small refrigerators. One of the standout features of this power station is its capability to be charged via solar panels, which can be an appealing option for those who prefer renewable energy sources. This feature enables users to harness solar energy during outdoor excursions, further emphasizing the unit's adaptability. Additionally, the device can be charged through standard wall outlets or car chargers, providing flexibility depending on the user's circumstances. Using the FlashSpeed Pro is straightforward. The interface is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring an LCD screen that clearly displays the remaining battery life, output wattage, and input status. This information is invaluable for users who need to manage their power consumption effectively. The power station is equipped with built-in safety mechanisms that help prevent overheating and overloading, contributing to a reliable user experience. In terms of performance, the VTOMAN FlashSpeed Pro meets the demands of various users. It can effectively power multiple devices simultaneously, making it a suitable choice for group outings or during power outages at home. Its substantial capacity ensures that users can enjoy extended periods of uninterrupted power, which can be critical during emergencies. In conclusion, the VTOMAN FlashSpeed Pro 3600 portable power station provides a well-rounded solution for those who require mobility and reliability in their power sources. With its impressive wattage and capacity, along with the flexibility of multiple charging options, it positions itself as a practical choice for both everyday use and special circumstances. Whether for camping, tailgating, or as an emergency backup, this power station offers a blend of functionality and convenience that may appeal to a diverse range of users.